Children, we are starting chapter 4, Structure of Atom. In the previous chapter, we have studied about atoms and molecules. Now let us understand the structure of atoms. Dalton proposed that atoms are indivisible, but there were certain indications of the subatomic particles which proves that atoms are divisible. For example, the static electricity. Recall those activities which you have done of static electricity. When you comb your hairs, then this comb, it attracts the bits of paper, which indicates that there are subatomic particles inside the atom. These subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. In this session, we are going to understand the discovery of electrons. It was discovered by J.J. Thomson. He took a discharge tube filled with a gas at very low pressure. When electricity was passed, then a greenish glow was observed. There were series of experiments which were conducted, which proved that these cathode rays are actually electrons. This is the setup of the experiment which was conducted by J.J. Thomson. A discharge tube, cathode, anode, air at very low pressure. When high voltage electricity was applied on it, greenish glow was observed. The rays which originated from cathode and moved towards anode, they were called as cathode rays. Characteristics of cathode rays. When a metal cross was placed in the discharge tube, it was found that it produced a shadow opposite to the cathode. Thus, cathode rays travel in straight line and they travel from cathode to anode. When a paddle wheel was put, it was found that the paddle wheel started rotating, which indicates that cathode rays are beam of particles which have mass and have high kinetic energy. Cathode rays are negatively charged. When an electric field was applied, it was found cathode rays were attracted towards the positive plate because the greenish glow was observed towards the positive plate. The characteristics of an electron. The mass of electron is 1/1840 of hydrogen atom. Relative mass is 1/1840 U. Absolute mass 9 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Absolute charge 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And relative charge is -1. Children, this is how electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, and its characteristics were known by the series of experiments which were conducted by him.